What are the things we need to look forward to in terms of water quality and improvements in water quality?
I think it's a couple of things. One is the fact that many people again do not have access to potable water, and yes, I'm in a border region, but it's households on the United States side as well as the Mexico side, and I think it's something that many take for granted. This also the lack of our ability to predict adverse events, and even when we can, we're not always ready. But we've had a lot of rain here in El Paso, unprecedented amount of heavy rain, and the beautiful geography of El Paso has made it difficult to predict where stormwater is going to flood and how will that impact homes. I think there needs to be more of um, a vulnerability assessment, if you will, of our ecosystem as utilities across the United States are planning for flooding events or any type of adverse weather event. Thinking about the public health aspects when we talk about other things that have happened in the United States, and you hear the stories, those living in a nursing home and those just highly vulnerable people who are going to suffer the most severe consequences. Sometimes those aspects of urban planning aren't taken into consideration when cities and communities are looking ahead to build their resiliency. They're looking more at the landscape as opposed to the people and where they live and what are the resources. So I think that's something that needs to be given a lot more attention, especially as our infrastructure continues to age.